It's Denise, and now that Mother's Day has come and gone, I can turn my thoughts to getting my porch decorated for spring. I always want to have a better homes and garden porch. So if you want to see me get that started, keep watching. If you're new to my channel, I'm Denise Jordan, and I teach women to make wise home health and beauty decisions. So if you want to learn more about running a household, subscribe. Or if you want to see reviews about products that can benefit you in your home, subscribe, because I do videos on those topics all the time. So hit that subscribe button and tap that little bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Okay, let's jump into it. So I've already visited the garden center, and I have to tell you, I picked up some really beautiful things. And I always tend to work pink, purple, with white and some orange. So let me show you what I picked up. So these little orange ones right here are absolutely adorable. And these are the Super Bells Tangerine Punch. And I've always got to do something orange with some purple. And this is also in the Super Bells family. It is the Super Bells Strawberry Punch. Look at that deep pink eye. I just love those. And then over here, we have the Super Bells Grape Punch. And I always love these purple ones. Aren't they beautiful? You can't go wrong with pink and purple. So here I got some more of the Strawberry Punch right there. And then right here is the Black and Blue Salvia. I like to get these every year because they just look so nice in potted arrangements. So you can just see how that might look together. And then in this box over here, I got some of the cappuccino wave petunias, and I just thought that kind of a deep pinky brown eye was just so cute. So I got some of those, and then some of these, and let's see what these are. They look like nicotinia, but I don't believe that's what they are. These are called Endless Flirtation, and they are the Brawallia hybrid. They look a little bit like nicotinia, only the trumpets aren't quite so large. So there are those. And then here I got some dahlias. Again, notice the pink and the white that I'm working so far. So these dahlias are gorgeous. And then this is one of the flowers that I put in my mom's Flowers for Mom pot. This is the Sassy Double Deep Rose Argaranthium. And I just like the little head that's on them. And more dahlias over here. More Black and Blue Salvia. And then, of course, these Love Swept doublets. So let me get out a couple of pots and I'll get to work. So this is where we are right now. I've already cleaned and swept the porch on this end, and I positioned a couple of things. But I'm thinking that I want a pot to go right here. Maybe a couple. And then this is the other end of the porch. And as you can see, there's really nothing here yet. I'm going to have to sweep that end again, because leaves and debris has kind of drifted back up here. And I haven't positioned the tables or anything like that yet. So, and then I've got this pot here that something will have to go in. And then of course right here. So I think what I'll do is start with the one that's going to go here. So let's get that started. So last spring I made this into a double pot. And I think I'm going to do the same thing this time. I'm going to set this pot inside of that one. And I'm thinking I want to put this in this pot together. And then I'll put something that spills out around it. And I've got this beautiful dahlia, so I'm thinking that 3 of these will look really nice in the pot together. So let me get these in, and then we'll see whether or not anything else will go in this small pot here. And just so you can see, this is the pot that I'm working with, and it's going to sit inside of that one. So I've got a bag of potting soil, and it's just a light potting soil. I picked it up at the garden center, nothing special. So I'll break this soil up just a bit. Oh, look at those roots. It's time for them to get out of this pot. I'm making a space for that plant with the container, so I'm going to put it there like that. This one's going to go in next. And again, look at those roots. So now I'm going to take this container out and just drop it right in there like that. I think I'm going to go with this one. Let me just check one other thing. No. bring it back. So what I'm thinking is that I need another one of these dusty millers, maybe to put over here to kind of give me a contrast in foliage, something more of this kind of whitish green to go over here. And then right here in the center, I want something else coming up out of here. Either another one of these, nice, tall, and purple, or something else that's going to come up and just kind of give me some color. So let me just see what I can find and take care of that. In the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and put it over there so I can clean up this here. So I'm going to let this sit here while I work on a pop. It's going to go back there, and then we'll figure out what else is going to go into this one.